Ebusuafo, Kofi Kinaata has been involved in an accident. Kofi Kinaata in Quinshia or in a yes, but there are certain speculations in the news that driver anyway, motorcyclist anyway on the spot. These are false news, and I call it the new false.
Drive maybe soon we the driver died at a spot. Drive maybe
kai hude baby a Nyankopon bonam pesin e hwa na bonsam so totono mom. And so some of these things are expected to happen, but this is really what happened. Kofi Kinaata we invite someone that one brand perform in the honor of Osajefo Dr. Kwame Nkrumah on the there wo Kwame Nkrumah woni krom nkrofo, and so they decided to go into war convoy around was in a motorcyclist walk crossing one and when you na somebody in our nature. They took them to the hospital and then care was being taken. Kofi Kinaata and also psychologically they took care of them, and mentally, health, medically in our washawan and what mazana what gadavim what performing one crop, and it was spectacular. No, yeah, fair yakono. Now they performed with prayers there. Victims now they were involved in the accident. But a lot of people are also connecting this whole thing to also for BB Frederick. Name message be or pass some months ago that we should pray for Kinaata, else he will pass on like Castro.
And that young man that sings, and they call him Kofi Kinaata, that represent Daddy, you should pray for him. I kid you not. I don't give prophecy about this music. I don't do that. But in the hour when the angel was speaking to me, I saw him. And the angel told me that he's the next they are going for. They will cut off his life premature.
Well, Kinaata is a prayerful person and he believes in God, and so he never slept on it. He did pray. And see, Nyankopon kitanemu. But kai when they made entire day, Dami introduction is always solid as the rock. Let's pray for the victim. Na Nyankopon mo na ayaresa.